With coffee being the benchmark of everything we do at Bear, and with Espresso Martinis being one of the key cocktails we serve in our stores, we wanted a way for our customers to enjoy them in our spaces without getting too boozy or sacrificing on taste. Enter the Social Martini. Hey, I'm Terran, Head of Food and Bar at Bear, and today I'll be showing you how to make our Social Martini from the comfort of your own home with super easy to follow steps. For this recipe, you'll need the following equipment: a cocktail jigger, or a way to accurately measure out milliliters. A cocktail shaker, these can come in a variety of forms, but today we'll be using a Boston tin shaker. A Hawthorne strainer and fine strainer. Again, there are a variety of different strainers you can get hold of, but we're keeping it simple today. Freshly extracted espresso, brewed with coffee beans of your choice. We'll be using the Canini washed Rwanda, which is currently served in our stores and available to buy online to brew at home. For this recipe, we'll be using 50 ml of 3-spirit social elixir, a non-alcoholic botanical drink enhanced with lion's mane mushroom, yerba mate, full-bodied and bittersweet. It complements the rest of the ingredients of this cocktail brilliantly. They also offer a range of non-alcoholic spirits, which are great enjoyed over ice or to use as ingredients within your cocktails. We'll also be using 10 ml of Havana Club 3-year white rum in this recipe. We find the flavour notes of muscovado and vanilla pair fantastically with the rest of the ingredients in this cocktail, but feel free to omit this should you wish to make this alcohol-free. We'll be using maple syrup to sweeten everything slightly and to really highlight those beautiful caramelised flavours in the rest of our ingredients. Ice cubes, hopefully we don't have to tell you how to make these. You'll also want a few coffee beans to garnish your cocktail at the end. And finally, a glass of your choice to pour everything into. Let's get started. First things first, produce your espresso. We recommend using freshly brewed espresso wherever possible to produce the best flavour in your cocktail. If you need help producing espresso at home, we have a fantastic and easy to follow recipe on our channel courtesy of our Head of Coffee, Lou. Hit the link in the description to find this. Add in 50 ml of 3-spirit social elixir to your Boston tin. Followed by 10 ml of Havana free rum. Pop in your bar spoon of maple syrup. Always add your espresso last to keep this as fresh as possible. Add in a good scoop of ice cubes to your shaker. You're looking to fill your tin roughly about halfway. Be careful not to overfill your shaker with ice, as this will cause your shaker to pop open. Close your shaker. Give it a good whack to seal the sections together and get shaking. Around 15 to 20 seconds at a good pace should be enough. You're looking for the tin to be frosted over. Once frosted over, hit the side with your palm a couple of firm taps to unseal it. Carefully take it apart and double strain immediately into your chosen glass. Garnish your cocktail with 3 coffee beans in a centered triangle. You can get hold of the coffee used in this recipe as either whole bean, freshly ground or 100% compostable Nespresso compatible coffee pods, alongside other origins and brewing gear from our website. Just hit the link in our bio. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more cocktail and coffee recipes, or just want to hear us rambling about coffee, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Cheers.